Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to receive a payment from your customer in QuickBooks Online. Open QuickBooks and navigate to the Sales section. This is where you manage all your sales-related tasks. Within the Sales section, locate and click on Customers. This will bring up a list of your customers. Scroll through the list or use the search function to find the customer who is making the payment. You will see the money they owe you here. Once you have found the customer, select Receive Payment to record the payment they are making. Enter the name of the customer who is making the payment. This helps QuickBooks keep track of who is paying you. Check the box next to the invoices the customer is paying. QuickBooks assumes the customer is paying the entire invoice, but you can change the payment amount if needed. If you don't see the customer's payment method list, select Add New and add it. For example, if the customer is paying by check, select that option. If the customer is paying by check, record their check number. Choose Undeposited Funds to hold the payment temporarily. This allows you to combine several payments into a single deposit later at the bank. After entering all the necessary details, select Save and New to save the payment information and move on to the next task if needed. Once the payment is recorded, the customer will have a $0 balance since they have paid their invoice. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.